There's no risk to trying one of these mattresses because you can return it if you don't like it. But trust me guys, this is something you're gonna love. Whenever you receive your mattress from Ziwi, it's gonna show up in a compact box. You wanna make sure you be super careful not to cut into the mattress, and they actually give you a Ziwi tool so you can cut into it very easily. But as you unbox this, it is gonna take shape very quickly, and from 4 to 6 hours from unboxing this, you can actually sleep on it. So you can sleep on it the same night that you unbox it, and it'll take about 48 hours from there to take the full shape. Check out how nice this is. I love the design in here, and honestly, my very first impressions are that this is super soft and definitely a lot more supportive than I actually anticipated. I ended up getting the hybrid contour, as you can see here, and this is the king size. I'm going to put this on my bed. I'm going to sleep on it a couple nights before I actually give you guys my thoughts on this. So I want to show you what this looks like with the bed all made and dressed up, just so you can see the height of this mattress. Looks really nice. The bed sheet tucks around it really nice. Everything fit really good. It's still a high mattress. This is going to be 14 inches thick, and that is a 52-inch back headboard. This is what it looks like. If you like your beds to be a little bit more thin, a little bit lower, you could opt for a smaller mattress. They have the 11 inches and I think 12, but this is going to provide a ton of cushion. Now I'm going to go ahead and take all the sheets and pillows off the bed, and we're going to take a closer look. All right, so take a look at how beautiful this mattress is. I honestly can't believe how soft this is, and it really is nice that it's super breathable, providing a ton of cushion, guys. Look at this. But this is actually going to be very different from your traditional memory foam. This is Ziwi's brand, guys, and they have a ton of technology jam-packed in this mattress to ultimately give you the best night's sleep possible. And this is going to be the king size model, and it fits on my bed frame absolutely perfectly, all the way to the very edge and all the way to the very edge over here. I have a small gap here. I was still trying to center it. Fits perfectly on both sides. All right, so I wanted to cut to the website right now just to show you guys a couple things. They give you all of the options here. Okay, so you can see every single one, and they even rate them. So based off of comfort, cushioning, back support, body support, and cooling rate, you can know exactly what you're getting. And you can also see the amount of inches of the cushion there is based on all of this material right here. So this is really nice, guys, but there's a feature on here that I want to show you that is very, very nice, and it helped me a ton. So as you can see up top, we have all the different mattresses, the classic, the Zenergy, the contour, and the contour hybrid. So we have a 14-inch. It'll actually show you just like a quick reference, best for back pain, best for joint pain. And again, right now, currently, there are a couple promotions going on, and I am going to have a link down in the description. So if you guys do want to end up checking this out for yourself, make sure you check out that link. Now, I want to go ahead and cut to the best part about this, which is actually the sleep quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and log into this sleep quiz, and you can actually click this for just you if you're sleeping by yourself or with somebody else. You can even do this for a guest room if you do have somebody else sleeping in your house. So check this out, guys. Me and my partner, I'm going to be doing my wife. So we'll ask you a few questions. You can just walk through this. She's a side sleeper, the body type, and basically what is the issue that is going on here. And for her, it's going to be a little bit of shoulder pain whenever she's sleeping. And then it's going to ask me some questions about myself. So I can go ahead and say I sleep on the side as well, just like my wife, my body type, and I usually wake up tired. So I'd like to see what is going on here with myself and improve my sleeping based off my mattress choice. What is the main issue? Why you're replacing this? And I would say that mine is too firm. And how should the mattress feel? I'm going to go ahead and say soft because I do think that I need a softer mattress. So then I'll ask you a couple questions here. Are you keeping a tighter budget? Do you want to balance between the cost and comfort? Or do you want to just prioritize the best sleep possible? That's me, because sleep to me is just overall super important. And that's something I do want to prioritize. So as I get to that last question, guys, it is going to show me the options that are going to be best for me. So we have the Zenergy, and then we also have the contour hybrid. Well, this is great because I actually have the contour hybrid at my house right now, and that is the one that I'm showing you in this review. So based on me doing all those questions, it showed me exactly which one's going to be the best for me. And you can actually click your options here. Mine is a king size, so you can see that I did click that. If you messed up your answers and maybe want to try again, all you have to do is hit start over, and that'll take you to the front. But I do like how it gave me the exact mattress based on the quiz. And just as a little bonus, they also have some bedding as well, and then you can also get a base. So you can get everything with them, and I absolutely love the way they have their website laid out. It makes it a lot easier to be confident in choosing your mattress. Now let's go ahead and get back to this review. This feels incredible. Unlike traditional memory foam, this is gonna be jam-packed with so many different layers within it. And honestly, guys, after taking the test, I was very shocked that the mattress that I should have been getting was gonna be the soft contour hybrid. Normally, I'm on a medium firm to firm mattress because I always thought that was gonna be best for my back. But after taking their quiz, I was really shocked to find out that I was supposed to be on a really soft mattress. So after getting this, I was a little bit worried if it was gonna work or not. Now, as I lay on this mattress, it contours my body perfectly. So I'm a side sleeper, and usually with a firm mattress, there would be a gap right under my ribs to my hips, and that would kind of cause me back pain and shoulder pain. After being on this mattress, testing it out and sleeping, I can honestly say that this feels so good. It feels like whenever you go to a hotel and you're on those super expensive mattresses that you just fall into and you just feel so comfortable, and you're always like, I wish I had this mattress at home. This is what that feels like, except a lot better. And it gets even better than that because it's yours. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now on the bottom of this mattress, there are gonna be the HyperFlex coils that are gonna provide a ton of support and durability. It's gonna make this last longer, so you're gonna have that longevity in your mattress that everybody wants. Now if you go a little bit up from there, the next level is gonna be the ZiPP Comfort Core, and that is basically just gonna provide a ton of support for your hips and shoulders, keeping your whole body and spine aligned. And then the next level up there is gonna be a memory foam, which is gonna provide pressure relief and then overall comfort. And then lastly, you're gonna have the really nice cover that I was talking about that is super soft, and as I'm dragging my hand on here, it feels absolutely amazing, guys. It feels amazing on my ribs, on my hips. I actually feel pressure lifting away. It's kind of like when you're on one of those sofas, if you've ever tried to have like zero gravity and like kind of just lift your body and your legs into a certain position. It feels amazing. My wife actually uses a ring that tracks her sleep, and after just 2 days, her data on her app actually showed her she had the best night's sleep all year, and that's thanks to Ziwi. This mattress feels amazing because no matter how you lay on this, it contours to your body perfectly. And now I can see why they named this the Contour. So this is a hybrid. It's going to be perfect for all sleep types. And honestly, after sleeping on this, I feel a huge difference. And I honestly feel like I've missed out on a ton of good night's sleeps because I haven't had something like this. No matter if I lay on my side or my back, it accommodates everything. And to be honest, I'm mainly a side sleeper, but sometimes I'll roll on my back, you know, when I first get into bed to kind of just get started to wind down. Then I roll on my side. It really just hits the lower back and gives you so much support. It's unbelievable. And it was funny because my wife was saying that it feels like you almost don't even need a pillow. So as you can see, like my head laying down, it kind of doesn't even feel like you need a pillow because it starts to really just contour the back, puts the neck in a proper position, and I can honestly sleep without a pillow. And the best part is Ziwi has a 100-night trial period. So sometimes your body will take a little bit of time to adjust to a new mattress, and they stand behind their company so much that you get 100 nights to try your mattress. And if you don't like it, it is the easiest return policy I've ever seen. Guys, this is a huge mattress, so think about boxing this back up and sending it back. How would you do that? Well, you don't even have to worry about that because there's no restocking fee, there's no reboxing fee. Ziwi will actually send a company to come out and pick up your mattress, no fee to you at your address. So there's absolutely no hassle, there's no risk to trying one of these mattresses because you can return it if you don't like it. But trust me, guys, this is something you're gonna love and gonna want to check out. And Ziwi also has a 20-year limited warranty. They stand behind their product 100%, and they know that you're gonna love it and you're gonna have a great night's sleep. So if you guys would like to check one of these out for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comments and I'll try to answer them the best that I can. But now that I've been sleeping with the Ziwi mattress, I feel energized and refreshed like never before. 4 in the mornings. It's time to start attacking my day and staying productive with Ziwi. Have yourself a great night's sleep. Try it risk-free. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button if this helped you out and you like this kind of content. Subscribe for some more review videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.